In this video, we are going to analyze Fubo. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we push to the upside? And as of right now, our closest resistance is at $5.90, or kind of just to $6. So if we continue up, that's going to be a heavy resistance. If we can break that though, we are then paying attention to $7.50, which we can see was basically the high of this previous pump. But if we do break that, then our next target would be a $10.50. Pushing further would be $13.50, and then final level taking us to $15, $24, and a final one at $32.50. Now, obviously, some of these are very far off, so the way to use these levels is if you break one, for example, you break above this $6, you want to see it come back to retest that level and hold it. If it holds it, then more than likely you can expect to push to that next deviation, which in this case would be $7.50. Now, on the other hand, if you are more bearish on this stock, you want to know what are key supports. So obviously we can note that 52-week low around $2.40, and also our statistical mean at $1.30. But really, those are the only ones we can use on a longer term time frame. So what we can do is go over to a 1 month chart, and then that provides us some more support levels. And this would be $3.50, $2.80, $2.20, and a final one at $1.55. So now this has provided us with quite a lot more support levels. So whether you are long or short on this stock, you have targets to be paying attention to. And again, the same thing on the short side. Don't be thinking, okay, we're going to go to 130, that's where level is. Be paying attention to, okay, we've bounced off this, well, we broke above this 150, we've held it. So we broke to that next deviation, which was 440. But now we are kind of holding between these two levels. So what you want to see, if we're going to continue down, you want to see a break below 350, come back to retest it as resistance, and if that level holds, then more than likely you can expect to push to 290 at a minimum. Anyway, that is the breakdown. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these analysis videos.